3, 2, 1. Welcome back. Today we're going to learn how to stack your resume, beginning with S for skimmable. Think short and concise when you're doing your resume. First, with your bullets, don't let them go over a line. Try to stay within a line for each bullet. And do not repeat tasks. Get rid of them. Additionally, do not go over a page for your resume. And if you do, there's a chance nobody's going to read it because it's too long. Next, T for terminology. Oftentimes when you're applying for a job, a computer is the first thing that will see your application. They use algorithms to filter through applications, therefore you want yours pulled first. In order for that to happen, make sure when you're looking at the job posting, you use the keywords in that posting in your resume, as well as the tasks. That way, those keywords are picked through and you're pulled first. Third, A for applicable. You don't need to list all the experiences you've had since high school, unless they're relevant. Remember, you only have one page, so you need to say the most you can in the least amount of words. Next, make sure your most robust topics are at the top. Therefore, if you don't have a lot of relevant experience, it's better to list your school at the top because it's the most powerful tool you have. C for count. Count your tasks. Remember, numbers go farther than words ever will. So if you can quantify it, do so. For example, if you interned at a local newspaper, how many stories did you turn over? And how much time? How many words did you average? How many interviews did you do? If you can quantify it, I'd love to see it. Finally, K for keep it error-free. Remember, proofread, proofread, proofread. Have I said it enough? Make sure if you're proofreading it yourself that you're reading it out loud so you don't go over any mistakes. Also, have someone else proofread, like your mother, your professor, your neighbor. Anyone you can find, let them proofread because typos can get you tossed like this. So remember, you want your resume to be skimmable. Be purposeful with terminology. Make your experience applicable to the position. Quantify it by counting your tasks and proofread to keep it error-free. Ciao!